Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript code on server side. Traditionally, JavaScript was limited to running within a web browser, but Node.js enable it to execute outside the browser of JavaScript, and that is making it a powerful tool for backend development. To install Node.js on Windows, you need to open any of your favorite browsers, then search for Node.js on Google. You will find the first search result from nodejs.org website. Just click on it. Now you will land on this page. Here you can find the download button to download Node.js LTS version. LTS means long-term support version. Just click on this button and the download will start. After the download process is complete, open File Explorer and go to the download section. Here you will find downloaded Node.js installation file. Just double click on it. Then a Node.js setup wizard will pop up. Click on next. Now whether you want to or not, you need to accept the user and license agreement. Tick the checkbox to accept it and click on next. I recommend to keep the Node.js installation destination as default. Then click on next. Don't change anything on this screen. Just click on next. Here I recommend ticking this option because it will install the necessary tools automatically, especially Chocolatey. Then click on next. Finally, click on install to start installation process. At the end, our Node.js wizard was successfully installed Node.js. Now click on finish. Then a new pop-up will appear. Just press any key to continue the additional tools installation for Node.js. This installation process may take a few minutes, so leave it running in background and open command prompt. Now type Node-v and hit enter. Here it will show your Node.js version. And next type npm-v and hit enter. It will show 10.9.0 as our recent npm version. So guys, we have successfully installed Node.js and its additional components. Kindly hit the like button and support this channel.